Hello, welcome back to this Learn Anyone channel. So let's start. So today we will discuss how to access like BW4 HANA with S4 HANA and AFO analysis for Office as well, right? So we will see how these are the integrated in single remote server and how this is very useful for the BW consultant, right? So let's go ahead. So in this video, I am going to show you step by step practical how to connect the BW4 HANA system with S4 HANA and even AFO and how it is working in the real environment. So I'm going to show you these are the things. So be there till end of the session. So let's go ahead. So this is we have a complete remote desktop system where you can see we have a GUI already over there installed, and in this already we have a BW4 HANA installed, S4 HANA installed. Okay, even we will have already installed like everything like Microsoft MS Excel already. So I'm going to show you first BW4 HANA, how to log in over there and everything. Okay, so now let's start. So this is we have a click over BW4 HANA system. Okay, so you can have to give the 400, that is by default client, and you have to give the user ID. So you can see we have already user ID and there is some password is already over here. So I am going to give over here, and by default is the English language is given, right? So let's see, this is a complete BW system, BW4 HANA system, and I'm going to show you here under system and status. You go to the status. Under this you can find out what are the like component installed over here, and what is the, this is the S4, that is the HANA database. BW4 HANA is the HANA database. Okay, and you could see the more detail over here, like what are the component installed over here. So go to product here, you can see this is the SP7 2020 2.0 BW4 HANA is installed. So this is how you can check it, and this is the previous login and data. All the detail would be here, you can check over there. So this is the initial screen of BW4 HANA. Apart from that, if you just so if you want to check it over more detail, see the system and client 400 user BW4 user, and this is a program transaction response. So these are the detail over here, and this is the basic things like menu bar, toolbar, and these are the you can change over the option. You can change the like theme and font and all, right? So these are the basics you did already, right? So now go to the basic T codes. Okay, and apart from that, these are the we have it like favorite, whatever you want you can. Okay, Fury Launchpad, it already over here, right? So now let's see, this is a command prompt. Anything T code you can put it over here and you can enter into the BW4 HANA for the practice. So I'm going to show you here. Basic T code for BW4 HANA is RSA1, right? Modeling, right? See, but BW like for system, system which is not possible for modeling, which is absolute RSA1. So what is used for? So you will have to use either Eclipse or HANA Studio for your modeling. Okay, so I'm not going to go there for the modeling. I'm just going to show you what are the component under RSA1. Okay, so let's see, if you go to the RSA1, see this is the source system. Under source system, let me again, I am going to just RSA1 once again, something here. Yeah, because absolute, that's why not option would going to show you over here. So yes, see, few are options are available. Whatever the source system you connected with this PW source system, it would be there. First would be the ODP. You can see ODP extractor is there, and this is a itself PW ODP. And so many, like if you have a flat file, you can see the flat file loads also, you can do it. So these are the like basic which is not possible here. So you will have to use a particular HANA Studio or particular Eclipse, right, for the modeling. So if you want to go with the Eclipse or particular HANA Studio, you can do over here. Both are available here. So let's try HANA Studio, or what are the available here, I guess. Let's see Eclipse. I'm not sure it is available or not. uh, Means let's see HANA Studio is available. Okay, so HANA Studio is available. Let's go for the HANA Studio. Even you can go with this Eclipse as well. Both are the ID. Both are using for the modeling RSA1, because BW4 HANA is a completely absolute. So we are going to use basically the HANA Studio. So I'm going to show you how can do over HANA Studio, right? So let's open your HANA Studio. So these are already installed over here. So no need to install again if you already installed. So let's see here. It is opening. Yes, you can see already configured. See, this is already configured. If you go here, it will ask a password. If you want to know how to configure it, go to here, or there is a perspective right here. You will see here there is a perspective tab under modeling. Open. Okay, so you can connect over. This is the way you can connect, because already someone is already connected over here. So I'm going to show you how. Okay, so this is connected. I'm going to connect over here. So let's see password 400. You can see over here. Yes, see, it is connected. So your BW system is connected over here for your modeling, right? So the data source, all the data source would be here. Your all the BW repository objects over this repository. If you have an info area, info object, your ADSO, composite provider, everything would be over here. Let's see, if you are talking about this, anyone you can drill it, you will see all the objects over here. And which is most important here is the common button. If you want to search anything, let's see, I'm going to see some material which is very fast, right? See, it is totally, I mean, it is user friendly. See, it is all the material is available here, DTP and all it would be. So it is very easy. And this is the one button here which is linked with the editor. If you click anyone and you want to just over here, so directly you will go to that object directly. I mean, where is that object over here? So this is a very, I mean, useful information over here. And you will see info provider, whatever the info provider, if you are opening, all the detail would be here, outline would be there. So this is the BW basically connections. Okay, but if you want to S4, even S4, this is already S4 is there. So how to connect? Similarly, I mean, you will have to go for S4. So S4 connections, you will have to go for the ABAP, because see ABAP systems. Okay, I'm going to here. So ABAP system is going to connect. See, it is already is connected. So I'm not going to connect again. See, already is connected. So just you have to give the username and password over here. So let's see, I'm giving the password and your some password is not correct. So that caps lock off. I guess something login problem. Maybe some need to check with the admin guy. Okay. So if you connected over here, so you will see the all the detail about the S4 HANA. So this is how this is. Yes, this is connected. Yes, let's see how. Yeah, this is, see, it is 800 and this is a 400 for BW4 HANA, 800 for S4 HANA. If you click favorite, all the related S4 HANA steps would be here, right? See here, if you can see all the related steps would be available here, right? So this is how basically 800 clients is used for the S4 HANA, and BW 400 client for use for the BW4 HANA, right? So depend upon, I mean, on if you want to check it whether connected or not, if you, let's see, ODP extractor, right? See, if you right click over here and you can check it, like let's see, this is the ODP we have 191, right? You can go here and right click and check it. See, expand, whatever, delete if you want to open. And so many options are there. So based on your requirement, you can check it, right? See, all the connections would be here. So based on your requirement, you can check and you can replicate the data, whatever the data would be here in the S4 your extractor is going to replicate in the BW4 HANA. So this is the basically the basic things, okay, I would like to tell you over here, which is so much in the BW. Okay, so this is the way if you are going to learn the BW4 HANA. So this is how in the live the consultant is working. So this is the step by steps connections with BW4 HANA with S4 HANA. And if top up any like report are there, like any info provider or something, query is top up built, so there is another reporting tool we will have, except Bex analyzer, and you know that called web browser and all. So there is another called, we have a AFO, which is very important reporting tool. Okay, nowadays very easy to use in Excel format. It's very handy, is a end user and very drag and drop and very easy to calculate and all is. So if you double click here, Microsoft Analysis Office, under this we have an analysis for Microsoft. So if you open this one, see it is already opened. So now here and select any like your data or something. Let's see, if you want a product, you can select this one and give some password over here. So password, you can see BW passwords, we have it here. So make sure that password should be correct, otherwise system won't allow to access. So let's see, I'm properly using that password, and let's see, continue over here. Yes, so now you can see. Yes, so this is the report basically, and the right panel is the analysis tab, right? See here. So this is, we have it. And if you want something, let's see, this is the net value, okay, but this is the column, row, and the background. So I would like to tell you something here. Let's see, we have a characteristics and key figure and all, right? If you have a unit or see member ID, if you have a member, just draw into the row area. See product, these are the all the product, and under measure we will have all the quantity, right? So quantity, amount, see these are the way you can do it. And if you want something like a hide something, okay, I do, if you want a quantity or something over here, let's see, number of record, you can hide over here. So this is, I mean, you can do it. Let's see, I would like the currency over hide it, so you can hide over here. So this is like this, if you want to move over here, you can do it, move here. See, the currency would be here. So I mean, if you sequence, even sequence you can change it, right? Let's see, I want to move here, so you can change it, right? So depend upon the uses. So these are the basically called uh, even if you want to refresh, you can refresh. So this is called the access, I mean, Microsoft, I mean, okay, analysis for access, right? So this is the most important tool. So this is the, I mean, things, okay, we in this video I have shown you how to connect into the BW4 HANA, how to connect S4 HANA, how to connect, I mean, RFC connection between BW and S4 HANA to extract the data, I mean, whatever the replicate the data. And third one, that is called as a reporting tool, that is Microsoft, that is a AFO tool, which is very mostly used in the client side or consultant. So this is a very basic things, okay, and I'll show you the step by step. So hopefully this would be good, and you will learn from this video. So I would recommend it to please like, subscribe this channel, and definitely you can subscribe. And if in case any questions or if any doubts, please you can mail as well. So thank you for watching this video. Till then, bye.